focus so much on food quality, especially for our children, best milk, best egg, best chicken, but we often forget to ask one important question: what are the animals eating? With the new US India trade deal, this is something we have to really pay attention to. Yes, गड़बड़ है भाई. According to the White House fact sheet on the US India trade agreement, India will reduce or eliminate tariffs on many US food and agricultural products. This include dried distiller grains, जिसको DDGS कहा जाता है. DDGS is a corn based byproducts या फिर कह सकते हो इथेनॉल का byproducts है, widely used as animal feed. That means India will import DDGS from the United States as a low cost animal feed. सस्ते का डील हमारे हेल्थ पे हमेशा महंगा पड़ता है, याद रखना. According to the US Corn Export Quality Report 2016 and 17, this report shows that DON was detected in a large number of export samples, highlighting contamination risk in a corn-based products. मतलब जो हमारे कंट्री में आ रहा है एनिमल फीड प्रोडक्ट्स जो अभी DDGS, उसमें वोमिटॉक्सिन या फिर माइकोटॉक्सिन होने का चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा है. When animals will consume this contaminated feed, their immunity, their productivity will drop, and that will impact their milk, egg, and also poultry quality. See, the thing is, in the USA, the FDA has clear advisory limits for this toxin DON in animal feed. But in India, there is no clearly published mandatory DON limit specifically for imported animal feed like DDGS. So food safety goes beyond adulteration. It's not all about what's on our plate. It's also about what animals eat. Because ultimately, that food reaches to us or to our children through milk, meat, and eggs. Children are most vulnerable because DON is known to affect gut health and immune function with long-term exposure. If DON in imported DDGS not strictly monitored now, our children will pay the price later. तो हुआ ना ये बैड ट्रेड डील.
अरे हमारे देश में क्या चारा खत्म हो गया है जो बाहर से मंगवाना पड़ रहा है?
Oh no!
ये कैसा बिजनेस डील है?
So be safe, take care, and bye bye.